In this video, I am going to discuss about each title function of a string. Okay, this is also string handling function and check and return true if the particular text, a particular string is a title or not. If the string is a title, then it is returns you true. That's a boolean value returns true. If your string is not in the title, then it returns to false. So how it works? Let's see. Text equal to my website name is Lingaraj Tech Hub. Then print text dot is title. Fine, and it returns you true if it is a title, and it returns you false if it is not a title. Then another time, so it returns false, it's not a title. Okay, so how it could be returned to you true? Suppose I will written here only LingarajTechhub, what is going to be written? Okay, it also returns you false. This text is not your title. So if you go for the internet and find any title, so I will create an example on the title. It is not a title. It checks you returns a false if I go for the like hello world. Now see, it returns you title or not? Yes, it returns you title. Okay, the every word and inside this particular text or string will be beginning letter will be the capital, and it returns you as a true because it looks like a title. How to solve Python problems? I write down another text here. How to solve Python problems? How to solve arithmetic inside Python? Fine. Now check. Yes, return true. So this function automatically analyze the particular string which will be used is a title or not. It's a great function because it automatically analyze these things, the sentence, the text which we are using inside the particular through function. We know that the string is not a title or not. If a title, it returns the boolean value, that's a true. If it not title, it returns the false. Already I given you the examples how it is going to be false. If it looks like a not a title, then it returns to false. If it looks like a title, then it returns to true. So in previous the true statement which are generally written hello world, the another true statement true result is going to be written as a how to solve arithmetic inside Python. So both are understanding by this function how the entire strings are behave inside the title. Fine. If you have any doubt, go through the comment box and type there. Please like and share this video, subscribe this channel, click on the bell icon also. When I am uploading in future videos, you get with the notifications. Thank you.